Get yourself into a comfortable position, standing or walking or sitting upright, and become aware of your breath, just breathing naturally in and out, observing the position of your body, making adjustments as needed. Noticing as the air flows in through your nose, filling your lungs, your abdomen, through your bloodstream. And continue breathing, allowing yourself to release tension. Become aware of the bottoms of your feet. Just sensing and feeling them, whatever they're touching. Move your full awareness into your feet. Aware of the textures, aware of any tension, aware of any relaxation. Just being fully aware. The toes and the soles and the tops. Moving your awareness to your ankles. And the same, just as if your full consciousness is in your ankles. And all the sensations you feel. Then moving and flowing your awareness through your calves and shins, up into your knees. And in your knees, bring in the awareness of having a touch of light pink, whatever shade occurs. And it just flows through, in and out, all around your knees, comforting and soothing. Then up through your thighs, the muscles, the bones, the tissue, the blood, all the way up to the hips. And your hips become engulfed with this gorgeous, soft pink light. And allowing your breath to flow naturally. Hips to be relaxed and aligned with your spine with your neck. The energy is flowing. And this pink light mixing with white, with golden hue, enters through the tip of your tailbone. And as your consciousness goes to the tip of your tailbone, there's the awareness, much as a sensation of home, of recognition, of knowing you already are fully conscious and dwell there. As essence, as energy, as life. The atoms, the cells, vibrations of energy. And flowing up through your spine, each disc, vertebra, the nerve endings coming off the information highway, moves through your body, this golden white light and pink hues. Flushed out from your spine and moves through every aspect of your physical form, instantaneously filling it, breathing life into it, reconnecting awareness. I am love. I am safe. energy centers. A guide comes before you and assists in the alignment, drawing that energy back in, each one individually, uniquely, just pulling that energy in. And that grand alignment occurs. And the angelic beings, the guides, the masters, opening the funnels, the cylinders of life through the body, removing blocks and stuck energy. And you just breathe and relax as though floating in the essence, knowing you are safe. And if so moved, give permission. I give permission for the healing of my source self in this form, the reconnection, cellular level, the mental emotional layers, the energetic forms, and I allow the process to unfold in and through me, guiding me to that space of unfoldment from within into the whole. And as the guides are working this energy throughout your entire form, you notice from the very top of the head, the crown, as though a fountain, golden white light flows out and the pink with it. You notice it's flowing through the room and out of your body, through the floors, all areas of the house, through the roof, through the air, through space and time, expanding into your full connection, your various timelines. And in this space, your heart open, wide, with truth, with love, the knowingness of who and what you are, and placing your hands outward if moved, and receiving all the love of the divine. It just moves through, consuming you, flowing through your connection, through space and time and timelines, through your body, your form, your cells, each atom, the quanta. Waves of consciousness, of electricity in which you are, and the sound, the color tone frequencies of your being are washed as the divine love they are. You are home in your form. You are home in the expanse of the all. You are home. As you move through your day, your evening, your night, pause and take a moment every hour, every time you think of it, and be present in your form, and be present as your divine expansive self, at home in your body, in your energy fields, in the space that you take up. All is energy expanding outward. And bring awareness into your active daily life as you drive down the streets, as you go for walks, as you interact with other humans, with nature, with animals. And to be mindfully aware as the great expanse that you are, recognizing that all you see, all you interact with, all you experience is an extension of the divine in form, energy condensed, an expansion of yourself. All things are energy. Allow yourself to interact consciously as the awareness that you are, recognizing the consciousness in all you are experiencing, all within form, and with a heart full of loving gratitude. Shalom. Peace be. Be the beauty in the world.